Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and let me show you how to make a screenshot on this device. So first of all, let's open something we want to catch, for example the settings. And in order to make a screenshot, simply press the power button and volume down button together, but release them very quickly. So let me show this. Power button, volume down button, click, hold and release. And as you can see, the screen flashed a little bit. Let's allow. And as you can see here, we've got our screenshot. Here we can scroll it down to make the screenshot much longer. Here we can edit it and simply share. Of course, you can find your screenshot also in a gallery. So let me show this. Let's go to the gallery. And here we've got our screenshot, as you can see. Of course, we can get back and you can find it in special album screenshots. So that's all. This is how you make a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.